Hey Dutchy crew and my turtle people, well, Christmas has been and gone, and what do you do with that leftover turkey? You do this. Turkey loaded with fries with all the trimmings, and don't forget that delicious pot of gravy for dipping. Cutting these about 1 centimetre thick. We're going to leave the skin on these. Make some proper home fries. And that is what we're looking for. Our chips ready. They're our deep fat fry now. We've got some good old vegetable oil. Our temperature turned on, we're going to go 160 to begin with. Our vegetable oil's up to temperature now, it's time to get the chips in for the first cook. So I've had a look round and see what else we've got in the fridge. We've got some of this beautiful Cornish camembert left. We're going to cube this up. That's what we're looking for. So our camembert ready. This is another relatively short cook today, so again we're going to be using the economiser from the Pellet Man, link below. We're also going to be using the Pellet Man's turkey blend. We've got about half a cup, 25 grams of these pellets. Pop them in. While our chips are on the first cook, we'll get the Ninja wood fire oven up to temperature. So we're going to go max roast with a temperature of 240. Time 30 minutes. We're not going to need that. We're going to add some wood fire and we're going to start. So that's our first cook of the chips. Turn the temperature up now to 180. Ready for the second cook. Temperature's at 180. Let's go back in to crisp these chips up. That's our twice cooked chips ready. Just leave them there to drain. That crispy and fluffy on the inside. So it's time to build this dish now. We're going to take some of our chips, we're going to put a layer down. We're going to take some of our cheese, put that in the chips. Take the rest of our chips. Lay them over. Now we've got our turkey. It's going to go in. Scatter that about. We've got some Brussels sprouts, and all I've done with these is just cut them in half. Just enough for a forkful. Spread them out evenly. Leftover stuffing. tear some pieces out. The only thing that really needs cooking here is these pigs in blanket, so we're going to dot them on top. We're going to come back with our remaining cheese. Let's just dot that around on the top as well. It's now time to get this into the Ninja wood fire to cook. "15 minutes in, I think we'll take a look." Oh yeah, starting to get some nice colour on here now. Cheese is melting. Let's get it back in. So there we have 25 minutes. Let's have a look. Got some nice colour on it. Cheese is melted. We know those pigs in blankets are cooked. It's time to get it out and get it served. I'm going to be honest with you, I've never had cranberry sauce before. We'll put some on the top of this dish. I think it's about time we go in and have a bit of a taste test. So let's come in, try and get a bit of everything. Bit of cheese. Let's get a bit of turkey on there as well. A bit of cranberry. So let's go. I don't think I got to chip them. We're going to go again. We're going to have a double dip. So we've got a chip now and some turkey. That's really, really nice. One thing to do now. Pigs in blanket. Bit of turkey and a dip. Leftover Christmas dinner served on fries.